Wow, beautiful weather. Let's see, which car am I going to show you today? It's a difficult choice. We have a BMW 3 Series and a DS Crossback diesel. I'll choose mine. Yeah. Welcome to France. Hold on, I want to show you my car, DS Crossback. I love it, but you know, we're in a field right now and ouch, it hurts. Anyway, look at it. It is a gem. Look at the paint. It's wonderful. Look at the finishing touches to this car. Look at how it shines. It's almost 9 p.m. I think. There's some sun. It's beautiful. It's just so practical. Everything about this car is absolutely wonderful. It is better than any German car, so get it, remember. It's a wonderful car. I'm really so enthusiastic about a French car for the first time in my life. Oh wow! Don't you love this automatic trunk? Look how big it is. You put anything you want in it.
You can go inside if you want.
No, I'm not going to go in. No.
Are you sure?
Oh,
It looks very comfy.
I could try actually, why not? This is a car you can actually sleep in, you know, joking aside. It's
Okay, just stay here.
comfortable.
Don't move.
Look what he's doing! Just look what he's doing!
Okay, I'm sorry.
The joy of electric cars. But it's so wonderful. Absolutely adore it. And you've got a really spacious trunk. Wonderful. And you've got more space underneath, of course. Oops! Oh, this
What
belt should not
is
be here.
this?
It's a belt and I've got backache. I'm allowed to have backache. I don't always have backache when I dance too much because I do a lot of singing and dancing. When I dance too much, I get backache, so it's my belt. Never mind that. Now, look how I'm going to close the trunk. You watching? Look carefully. I'm not going to use my hands.
You need to... No, you need to go get the key.
Oh, you're right. I don't have the key. Oh gosh, hold on one sec. It was a little bit too far. You just put your foot there and the car will not only close the trunk, but lock itself. And that's that. Done. Now, come inside. Look at the space. Go in first. Look at the space inside. It's a really wonderful car. It is the top of the range. Of course, it's called Opera. You've got leather inside all over the place. Look at the back too. The wonderful thing about the back, not only is it very spacious, but you can also adjust your seats, which you can't do in very many cars. And in order to do that, you simply have to press on this button and the seat will move. So you can be really comfortable.
Are you sure you have enough space?
Oh, this is just my trash. I've got plenty of space. Look, I'm really tall and there's so much space.
We don't talk about this.
Look, this is just my trash, never mind that. It's a wonderful car. In the middle, you can fit, you know, a cup of coffee, whatever. It's just very practical. You can also access the trunk via here.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, I'm sure about that, but I'm not sure how to do it. Do you know how to? Because you're the expert.
I'm not sure you can do this.
I think you can. Or maybe you can't. Oops.
I think you need to fold the seats.
Oh, yes, that's right. You have to fold the seats first. You want to go to the front? I've already showed you. Oh, my trash. Oops, this is why I need my belt. Ha, ha. everything in this car is, just about everything is leather. It is a pure beauty. It is so comfy. Obviously the seats are electric and you can do whatever you want. You can, I've got to start it first for you. You can see what I can do with the seats. So I can adjust the seats and fall asleep and say goodbye. Good night. You can actually sleep in this car, I'm not kidding. You really can. It's so comfortable. Oh, I'm making a video here. It's not time to sleep yet. Is it? No, not yet. Okay, what else can you do? Easy. You can adjust the lower part of the seat. I'm going up. Oh my god, I'm so tall. No, 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 no. I'm going down again. Thank you. And you can adjust, obviously, the back, the lumbar area, and it is so efficient. You will not find that in any other car. I challenge you to find a car whose lumbar support is as good. It is a diesel engine, which is great. It is so speedy. It's wonderful. You can go really, really fast, but I'm not supposed to say that because my son is filming. So I have to be proper. So I obviously always stick to the speed limit.
Okay, but now we want to see you rev the engine.
Oh, right. Okay, okay. Hold on. Let me...
Can you open the hood?
Can I open the hood? Oh my god, how do I do that? I don't know. The hood. Oh, I don't know how to do that. Dean, please help me.
Over there.
I'm kidding.
And you have to pull.
I'm pulling.
Harder.
French car. Always harder.
Wait, let me do it. Wait, turn off the engine. Okay, let's try this again. Are we having a problem? Oh, okay, it's already opened.
The hood was wide open, but we couldn't see it from where we were, so there was actually no problem at all. I was surprised there could be a problem with this car because there are no problems at all with it. It's perfect. So let's have a look at the hood, and I'm going to start the car for you. Listen to that. Well, I think I'll go to sleep now. Oh, maybe I should just tell you about the doors. You can easily fit 2-3 bottles of water or about 100 masks. I usually do. So there's plenty of room for everything in this car. It's really wonderful.
Should you close the hood maybe? Maybe you should?
Yeah, that could be a good idea, Dean, if you don't mind.
Okay, give me a minute.
I'll turn off the engine now. It's obviously got Carplay and Android and all that, and mirror link and blah blah.
Let me go in the passenger seat.
I've got to open the sunshade, so this is very easy. You click on here and it opens as you please. You can stop it, of course, or you can let it go all the way. And it's a little bit stuffy too, so let's open the sunroof. Look at that. You can stop it as you please or let it go all the way. It's quite a wide opening. Hello world, hello sky, I love you. And I love this car. And I'd love to show you a few things about this car. Well, this is vocal recognition, so very easy. You click on this and you can actually ask the car to do a few things for you. The sound, minus, plus. Dean, what's this one about? I can't remember. I'm using it all the time.
You can change the screen over there.
That's right.
You can try to do it.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing now. So this is regular. Hold on. This is night vision.
This is an option, by the way.
This is an option, yeah. This is night vision. I love night vision because, you know, if you have a bicycle or that you can't see or whatever, it tells you right away and it sort of rings. So it's very useful.
So you don't end up in jail.
So I don't end up in jail, yeah. You know, it happened to me once. I actually didn't see the bicycle, and thank God for my car. It beeped at me, and you know, it shows that rectangular shape on the dashboard, and it was like ding, 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 ding. I'm like, oh my God, a bicycle! I'd better not run over it, because you never know what may happen to me and the poor guy. Let's now show you a few silly options, like changing the lighting. Look at that. You press on car, and here you have a lot of different options. This is...
Maybe you should translate?
I could try, yeah. I'm not quite sure what this does though, Dean, so you'd better help me out.
This is automatic high beam.
Okay. This is visual aid when you park the car. This is night vision. Start and stop, stop and start, whatever. This is easy. This is to help you park the car yet again. So this is all to do with the driving functions, as it says over here.
And you can go down.
You can go down, of course, and you have a lot of other things.
Blind spot monitoring.
Okay.
ESP.
Okay. This is anti-skidding. How does that translate? I'm not sure. I don't know. I mean, I've never seen a DS Crossback in English, so this is useful in case your tires or not, or flat, or whatever. It lets you know. Now you can go and check other things to do with the car, other functions. This is about parking the car, the lights. Comfort is all to do with funny little things I want to show you. Let me go back to that. And safety, security. So we'll go to comfort. And here you can do a lot of things, of course. I don't think I need to translate all of that, do I? So I love lighting. So this is to do with the lights that show on each door, and you can actually choose the intensity of the color and the color itself. So I'll go into the color first. Right now it's on purple, which we can just about see a little bit, you know. Since it's daytime, you can't see very much about it. And you can change the color again. Or red, or green, or blue, or whatever takes your fancy. It is a gadget, but it's something that's, it's not quite a gadget, because at night it allows you to see a little bit in the car without being seen. So I really like that. I sound really stupid, don't I? I love this car so much, you have no idea. It's so comfortable, it's perfection to me. There is nothing better. Try and find a German car that's better, Dean. You're so good with cars, can you?
I mean, it depends, but I really love this car. It has options that some German cars don't even have.
Such as the lumbar support, which you cannot find.
They do have them,
it's
but...
It's not good. I mean, I'm sorry, I like German cars, I really do. But what you usually have in German cars is something like, you know, it looks, to me it feels like a ball right in the middle of your back. This is not what I call lumbar support. Lumbar support is all the way, and you know, you can really use it, you can really inflate the seat.
Should you show us what's over here, maybe?
What's over here? Yeah, this is quite different in the DS Crossback. If you want to open your window, try as much as you can from here, you won't do it. It happens in the middle. Look, ding, and it opens. Same with the passenger seat, obviously. And to close, very simply, by itself. Ding, it's done. This is for the back windows, same thing. Left and right. Obviously tinted windows. This is really great. If you want to lock the car, you have this button. As you can see now, the car is fully locked. It's red over here. And if you want to lock the windows in the back, for children especially, you click on here. As you can see, it's red, so it's locked. But it won't lock the doors. For the doors, you have to do it manually. So remember that for children, it's important. I'd love to show you a little bit about Carplay. So, Dean, if you don't mind, I'm using your phone since you're using mine. We're both iPhones, sorry about the advertising. But I was Android before and I love Samsungs, but they've got some problem with sound. And because I do singing too, I can't use Samsung phones anymore. So Samsung, if you hear me, do something about this. Hello iPhone, you can do it, you're great. So we are now on Spotify. And I'd love to make you listen to a song. What do you think? Which one do you think I should...
copyright?
Come on, I'm on Spotify here.
Yeah.
Anyone can do it. This is not, there's no copyright. I mean, you know, this is Spotify, so... Okay, I won't make you listen to a song, but then, you know, I'm showing people here. I will not talk about the sound. And the sound is extremely good in this car. And what's the name of it, Dean? Do you know?
Do you know?
Focal... I don't remember, that's why I'm asking him. Hold on, I'll film him a second for you. Tell us, Dean, please.
You can see it right here. It's Focal Electra.
Focal Electra. I'm sorry, you know, I'm not an expert, but I do love cars, and I absolutely adore this car. I could sleep in it, literally, but it doesn't mean that you feel like sleeping when you're driving, thank God for that. It's a really nippy car, you know, you really can go for it. It's very fast, but you're extremely comfortable. So I really recommend it for people who care about comfort. It is not a sports car, obviously, but it does have a sports feel to it, and you have different modes. You can set it to sport, and when you do, it's really nippy. And in order to do that, you have to go to drive modes. So this is Eco. Eco means obviously that you drive, you know, it's less nippy, but you save a lot of money. Sport. Or you can go to comfort. As you can see, my car is now driving itself. I don't have the hands on the steering wheel. I have to from time to time, otherwise it beeps. But for as long as you see the little steering wheel icon in green, it's just gone. It drives itself. It went because I actually turned the steering wheel. But it's just a wonderful option. And again, I can remove my hand if I want to, because I've got the little icon. You see, it drives itself. Now the car is going to brake by itself. I'm not doing anything, as you can see, or not see because it's dark. I don't have my hands on the steering wheel. Look, and it's driving itself. Look at these sequential indicators. Check this. Look at the pattern too. It's really well made. I love it. Anything you'd like to say, Dean, about this? It's wonderful, isn't it?
Yeah, I love them. They
Okay.
look really, really nice.
Look at both of them. And let's check the front now. Perfect car. Look. Waha! LED lights. Beautiful. Amazing. And of course they will move according to what you're doing. I'm not sure what this is called in English, but it's really practical. Let me show you both. This is the DS7 Crossback, and it's a beast, man, a beast. Love you.